Alright, y'all, we're out. We are gonna head to the Knoxville Zoo. Just the four. Knoxville Zoo. See? I want real food. And I said no coleslaw, I said no pickles.
Oh, he is looking.
Alright, y'all, good morning. Last full day. We're gonna make the best of it. First, laundry. Alright, y'all, we're out. We are gonna head to the Knoxville Zoo. Just the four of us. We left the other party. Everything has been good all week, you know, compared to the last trip, but apparently she started cramping this morning. It was like she was gonna pass on the zoo and they were gonna do stuff local. So I'm just filling up on gas, about 30 bucks. Knoxville will take us 40 to 45 minutes. We'll get Dutch Bros later or some type of coffee and just kind of go from there. That was, yeah, that's what they did the video on, Silky Mountain. As I said before at the gas station, this is a 45-minute drive, basically up to 55-minute drive. This is something that you guys can take the kids to explore and do and not be too far if you guys are in the Gatlinburg and Pigeon Forge area. Definitely, you know, think about including a day trip over to the Knoxville Zoo, or even if you want to do a first thing in the morning trip with it only taking 45 minutes. And then, of course, being able to just explore the zoo, I would give anywhere from an hour to 2 hours. And then, of course, give time to go into the gift shop because that's how you're going to exit the zoo anyway. And, you know, of course, look at the menu of the food, things and spots that they have in the zoo, which is simply just amazing. Parking is $5 if you don't pay online through Groupon like I did. It's packed. Parking is $5.
Go see if they're awake.
What's the car right there? All right, when you first enter, there's restrooms. There's 3 of them.
Wait, let's go down here where other people sit.
There it is.
Yes, I just
That is feel like I ain't doing shit. I ain't doing nothing yet.
I mean, it's like that in Malaysia. No. I don't. Got a red head.
Because I think
If you're over in this area and you are hungry, you can stop by Bistro's Cuisine, which offers up Asian style cuisine as well as American cuisine, things like French fries, cheeseburgers, stir fry, beef and broccoli, things like that.
Probably do say that.
All right, so that was their newest tiger. She's 3. Her name is Kai, which
Pretty
I think
big.
is really cute and very chill, like for the moment, but definitely very big.
For the moment.
So now we're gonna see the other one, which I think they said its name is Bistro. These are Malay.
Llama.
All right, so I guess next we should get to the tortoise trail, birds, and river otters.
Look at that big one.
Wow. I thought that was
Moving
fake.
faster than I thought.
Wow. Got the Ninja
Look at those
Turtles
small
plus 2
ones.
more.
A hawk, a crow, owl. Huh? Right there.
It's not gonna stay.
Went down in there you go. See how the water does? No. Inside of the First Bank Arc Center right here is simply just like amphibians and things like that. So they have like toads, alligators, and other things that live in water. And there was definitely like some snakes and things like that inside of here. Little did I realize alligators sleep with their mouths open like that. So every time I go to a zoo, I learn an interesting fact. Even as, you know, an adult, we still learn a bunch of things about these animals.
Yeah, we'll do it.
Gross.
I don't want to see her right now. See? I want real food.
And I said no coleslaw, I said no pickles. Yeah.
So many. Oh. Look at that one over there just rolling around in the mud. Their ears, they're just getting mud.
That one getting muddy. Look at that. Gross.
Over there eating.
All that mud.
What in the world?
Ostrich just couldn't run really, really fast. Why are you looking at me like that?
That is 11-year-old Francis.
I'm scared.
That's all that is. Like when you see them with those green feeders, the keepers put branches in there like that long.
So where are we going?
All right, so gorillas and chimpanzees, great ape courtyard viewing, gorilla cave, East African crowned cranes, and then the last thing to really see is the baboons and lions, and then we'll hit the gift shop. Right there, up on the thing.
Laying down.
Okay, you guys want to get my pin?
He said,
You should hear what that means.
He said, got red. Just looking at us.
Oh, he is looking.
Steven is not here. So she might be outside. Because these are
Girl wants to read. That you should hear what that
See, I can tell. Beaver.
It's supposed to be a gorilla.
Out here, the arcade as we speak. That's what they want to do. And the coaster thing they want to ride at and stuff.
A crane or something like that. I really do like the zoo. I got this on Groupon, $60 for the 4 of us, parking included, and man, I've had a good time. So this was a really good experience. What'd you think about the zoo?
It was alright.
My money paid for the zoo. What do you mean it's alright?
I don't want to do it again.
Thank you. Huh?
I was like, why does it smell like water?
Yeah.
I like the smell of wine.
Then they have dryers.
Oh yeah, I want to.
There are 3 other places that you guys can eat at while you're here. You can eat at Safari Smokehouse, which offers southern dishes. You guys can also eat at Gray's, which is up towards the gift shop, and that offers quick bites. And then you guys can also check out Al's Rockin' Cantina, which is clearly near the beginning. And so that's a Mexican inspired place that you guys can eat at. But we're gonna make our way to the gift shop to check out what they have, and then get ready to head back to our neck of the woods over in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. You keep looking?
Should have like make a lot more money doing that. Or even work here at Lancers. Should make more money feet. It has lights in there too, and there's that.